first glance, the XLINE command, let's type it at the keyboard there, XLINE, the infinite line. I'll put one in now that runs horizontally across the screen. No matter how much I zoom out, that line still goes to the extremity of the screen. What I'm going to use it for here is as a base to set up a profile or elevation view of the trees along that road. So to locate the trees on that profile line or elevation line, I'll select the marker that's at the center of the trunk of those, and I'll copy them, mark a point there, and I'll just move down vertically down and place my markers. So I'll just zoom on them a little. So there we have our markers below the line. So now it's a very easy matter to, if we turn grips on now, to draw a line picking up each of these. We can pick up a grid. That's actually picked the insertion point of that block. So I'll just zoom in a little, see how it's picking not the center point there, but it's picking up the insertion point of the block. To fix that problem, let's just put a box around here and explode those. We now, if we set OSNAP to intersection this time, we should, if we zoom in, be able to draw a line that starts at that intersection and moves vertically up. Repeat the line, start at that intersection, move vertically up, and then we can simply trim off to get our horizontal. So that's the position of the canopy. We could easily draw circles with OSNAP end there. There's the profile or elevation view of the plant, and we can shorten the trunk and so on. So can you see, infinite lines or X lines are quite handy little devices. It's quite a simple matter to move that little diagrammatic tree up. So we could select the whole lot, right click and move, jump to that intersection. So we'll OSNAP to intersect, jump to the intersect, change OSNAP to perpendicular, and there we have moved our tree, our elevation view of the tree up where it was. Now it's along the line of the infinite line, giving us an elevation view. Let's just zoom out a little. So depending on the type of species here, you might want to do an ellipse or other shapes there. But the XLINE command is a useful command.